To initiate the deletion process, you'll first need to log into your Snagajob account. You can do this either through the Snagajob website or the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Look for a privacy and security section where you should find an option labeled Delete Account. The exact location may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform's interface, but it's typically found within the profile management area. After clicking Delete Account, Snagajob requires you to verify your identity to prevent unauthorized account deletions. This usually involves receiving a confirmation link via email or a prompt within the app. You will receive a confirmation link via email or see a prompt in the app. Examples include email notifications and app pop-ups that guide you through the process. Click the link in the email or follow the on-screen instructions in the app to confirm your intent to delete the account. This verification step is crucial to ensure that only you, the account holder, can permanently remove your data, protecting against unauthorized deletions. When you delete your Snagajob account, the platform removes specific data from their servers. This includes personal identifiers such as your name, email address, and phone number. Your employment history, including work experience details and past positions, gets erased. Any resumes or CVs you've uploaded are also deleted. Additionally, all job application data and saved searches stored on Snagajob's systems are removed. Snagajob's deletion process focuses on data under their direct control, which is stored in their centralized database. However, it's important to note that any information you previously shared with employers or third parties during the application process may still exist on their separate systems. Once you've confirmed your deletion request, Snagajob typically takes 24 to 48 hours to process it for active accounts. After the process is complete, you should receive a confirmation email indicating that your account has been successfully deleted. Keep this email for your records. If you don't receive a confirmation within this time frame, it's advisable to contact Snagajob's customer support to ensure your request was processed correctly. When deleting your Snagajob account, consider linked services. If your account is connected to platforms like Indeed, you need to unlink them separately to ensure all data is removed across different services. Regarding data retention, Snagajob will delete your personal information, but aggregated or anonymized data might be kept for legal reasons or business analytics. This follows privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Always review their privacy policy for the most current details. If you encounter issues during the deletion process, such as missing the delete account option or not receiving a confirmation email, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, ensure you are logged into the correct account. Double-check your credentials on the Snagajob website or app. Second, check your spam or junk folder for the confirmation email. Sometimes important messages get filtered there. If problems persist, visit Snagajob's Help Center. Their online resources provide detailed guides and FAQs. Contact their customer support for direct assistance. They can guide you through the process and resolve any technical difficulties. Data privacy is an evolving landscape in the digital world. Job platforms like Snagajob are increasingly adopting data minimization practices to protect user information. AI tools are being integrated to automate data scrubbing processes, ensuring efficient and secure removal of personal data upon request. To stay informed about these trends and any updates to Snagajob's deletion process, regularly review their privacy policy on the website. Being proactive about your data rights ensures you maintain control over your personal information in the digital world. Remember, privacy regulations continue to evolve, so staying vigilant is key to protecting your digital footprint.